May it be the era of kings and queens, or may it be today's modern world, silk has always been the choice of several people for all the wonderful qualities it has. Since ancient times, textile industry has been ruled by silk. However, being in demand does not mean it is easily available and economically viable. Yes, it's not easily available and is expensive. This has made people search for alternatives. And finally, this search was concluded when an artificial fiber resembling silk was synthesized. Hang on, does that mean we find synthetic fiber which is like silk? Of course, yes. And what do we call it? It's known as rayon. Have we come across this fiber? Of course, yes. It has got several daily life applications. From the fabric we use to make various outfits to the bed sheets used by us, it is used in many applications. But if we say that it is synthetic and at the same time has appearance of silk, then how exactly is it made? Let us know this first. It was in the end of the 19th century that the silk availability was a concern due to its extremely high cost. As a result, many chemists began finding an alternative to it. Finally, after many successful attempts to make something close to silk, a type of rayon got introduced in France. In around 1889, a French industrialist named Hilaire de Chardonnay introduced the Chardonnay silk, which was the first ever man-made rayon manufactured at industrial scale. Since then, many varieties have got introduced that have the appearance of silk but are actually rayon. But how do we exactly make such a beautiful fiber? The commencing material is cellulose. Wait a second, cellulose is what we find in plants, right? Yes, usually wooden pulp is used as a source of cellulose. This is converted into soluble compound that is further pressed with force through an instrument having fine holes. What will be the result of this? Yes, thin fibers will be formed. These are further treated with chemicals and at the end, rayon fibers are obtained. Now you may wonder that even if we process it, the starting material still remains natural. The starting material I'm talking about is cellulose. So how can we say that it is synthetic? You are on the correct track. This is exactly why rayon is not considered to be entirely synthetic. In fact, rayon is known to be semi-synthetic. That is partly natural and partly synthetic. Now we have been talking about this artificial silk for quite some time. Can you tell me where exactly we use it? The major use of rayon is in making clothes. Yes, rayon can be blended with many dyes to get vibrant shades, which is why it is widely used in the textile industry. Not only clothing, but it can also be used in making bed sheets when mixed with natural fibers like cotton. Can we mix it with any other natural fiber as well? Yes, rayon can also be blended with wool. This helps us get soft, shiny fiber that can be used to make carpets. Now you may be wondering if we can use rayon to make some tough material that has great strength. Well, tensile strength is not the property of rayon. In fact, it is best exhibited by the fiber nylon. But to study it, you will have to watch our next video.